Hey guys, so for today I have a little bit of a different video. This is my first attempt at kind of like a vlog, I'd say. You know, today is the first day, it's finally here, that I'm gonna try to dye my virgin hair. So literally, I have not dyed my hair ever in my entire life. I've been really putting it off because, you know, I just didn't want to have to upkeep it, and I'm pretty happy with my hair color. I'm not too particular about that, but you know, as you can see, it's time. I'm having a lot more grays, as you've probably been noticing in my videos. So it's really time to just take care of that. So I'm super excited to go ahead and share this experience with y'all. First of all, please forgive the messiness of this car. I didn't really plan ahead to do this video. So as you'll see, I have a lot of kid stuff in the back, but I just dropped off my kids at the daycare. So I'm ready to head on into the hair salon. And I also haven't cut my hair in about almost a year, literally, because of the pandemic. So it is due time. I'm definitely going to take off a lot of inches, so I'm excited to take you guys and share with you exactly what I decide to get. I have a little bit of a consultation with them first, and I've never been to this hair salon before, so I'm really excited to see what they recommend in terms of what I can have done and what'll look good on me. So I'm just gonna go ahead and keep my fingers crossed that I actually like the outcome, and if I like it, I definitely will probably keep coming back because it's pretty close to my house. So I'm excited to not have to commute too far to go to the hair salon. So as you can see, my hair is super long now, and it is time to have it cut. So this is the before picture, and I'll show you guys afterwards once I get it done, and you will see, I don't know, if you like the change, and hopefully all these grays will be kind of muted out a little bit. It is not the best day, as you will see here in Northern California. It's definitely raining, so not the best day to get your hair done, but go figure. This is the only time that I have this week to do it, so I'm gonna do it. And as you will see, I have my trusty Neverfull with me. And that is my travel companion. This Neverfull is amazing. As you can see, it's chock full there. So I am going to use it in the rain because, of course, it's totally weatherproof. One of my favorite all-time ever bags, as you all know. So let's go ahead and head on in there. I'm going to drive to the hair salon now, and hopefully things work out well. I will not be able to vlog inside just because it's my first time there. I'm not sure what they think about that. So I will show you the outcome as soon as I come out of the hair salon, and hopefully it's a good one. We'll see. See you in a bit. Okay guys, so I was able to take you inside for a little bit while my hair was processing, but it is done. So I don't know if you can see this. Actually, let me take off my mask. But as you can see here, it is done. I got kind of a lob, so it's a lot shorter. There are a little bit of layers on the ends, and look at my color. So I actually went with a single process coloring, and again, I'm a total novice at this, but the salon owner was kind of teaching me a little bit about this, and because I didn't have a whole lot of gray, they thought this one would wear better for me and look more natural, and I'm all about low maintenance these days, so I'm super happy with it. Don't you guys think? But I think it looks pretty natural, really blends in. It covers the grays that I did have, and the cut just feels so nice. I'm super happy that I finally went in for my first post-COVID haircut. It's hard to believe it's been about a year since I had this done. So I'm glad I was able to take you guys along with me for a little bit of it and kind of share with you my first ever hair coloring experience. So my hair is virgin no longer, but I think I'm really liking the results, and I'm definitely going to try to upkeep it. So they say to go back in about 3 months or so, so I'm going to give that a go, and I will keep you posted along the way. Thanks again for joining me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!